Welcome to this video of the Work Wise series. Thank you for joining us on this video on digital literacy in our increasingly AI-powered world. As technology continues to evolve, understanding how to interact with digital tools and artificial intelligence becomes essential, not just for professional success but for navigating daily life. Today, we'll explore what digital literacy means in the age of AI, why it's important, and how you can enhance your skills to thrive in this new era. We aim to demystify AI and digital technology, making it accessible and useful for everyone. Let's embark on this journey of discovery and empowerment together. Digital literacy goes beyond just knowing how to use software or navigate the internet. It involves a comprehensive set of skills that enable you to access, analyze, evaluate, create, and communicate information in all its digital forms. In an AI-powered world, digital literacy includes understanding how AI tools work and how they can be used responsibly and effectively. By enhancing our digital literacy, we ensure that we're not just passive consumers of technology but active and informed participants in the digital realm. Digital literacy encompasses several key components: technology literacy, information literacy, and media literacy. Technology literacy focuses on using digital tools and technologies effectively. Information literacy is about finding, evaluating, and using information in an ethical manner. Media literacy involves understanding the content and messages communicated through digital media. Each of these areas is crucial for navigating today's digital landscape, especially as AI technologies play a larger role in creating and disseminating information. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we live, work, and interact with the world. From voice-activated assistants to personalized learning platforms, AI technologies are becoming integral to our daily lives. Understanding AI is no longer optional, it's essential. Check other videos of this series which cover the basics of AI, its current applications, and its potential future impact. This video is providing a foundation for why enhancing our digital literacy is more important than ever. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, such as healthcare, transportation, and finance, offering solutions that can improve efficiency and decision-making processes. As AI continues to advance, it is essential for individuals from all backgrounds to understand its capabilities and implications. Embracing AI technology can lead to exciting innovations and opportunities that benefit society as a whole. To effectively interact with AI, certain digital skills are necessary. These include data literacy, to understand and interpret data generated by AI, and security basics to protect against AI-driven threats. Additionally, skills in managing AI interactions, troubleshooting AI systems, and understanding AI limitations are crucial. With the increasing prevalence of digital technologies and AI, ethical dilemmas emerge. These encompass worries regarding privacy, data security, and the risk of bias in AI algorithms. Understanding the implications of these ethical dilemmas is essential in today's digital age. As technology continues to advance, it is important to consider the potential consequences of our reliance on AI and digital tools. Safeguarding privacy, ensuring data security, and addressing biases in algorithms are pivotal in promoting a more inclusive and responsible digital society. Developing digital literacy empowers individuals to navigate these complexities and make informed decisions in the ever-evolving technological landscape. By actively engaging with these ethical concerns, we can collectively shape a more ethically conscious and equitable digital future. In a time of information abundance, assessing and confirming information is essential. While AI can assist in filtering and locating information, it can also introduce complexities. AI tools have the potential to distort reality or provide partial data. Therefore, honing information literacy skills within the realm of AI is vital. The role of AI in producing and disseminating media content is expanding and impacting our perception of news and information. The influence of AI on creating and consuming media is apparent. Addressing the challenges posed by AI-generated content requires the ability to critically evaluate and interact with such content responsibly. AI is transforming the job market by automating certain tasks and opening up new opportunities in other areas. Adapting to these changes requires digital literacy, understanding which skills will be highly sought after in an AI-driven workplace, and preparing for future career paths by harnessing the power of AI. Given the recognized significance of digital literacy, what are the best methods to effectively teach these skills? It is crucial to develop strategies for educators, parents, and community leaders to promote digital literacy, emphasizing inclusivity and accessibility to enable everyone to take advantage of AI progress. The fast pace of technological advancements highlights the necessity for continuous learning. Embracing the idea of lifelong learning is crucial for digital literacy, ensuring individuals stay updated with new technologies, especially AI, and cultivate a mindset that values ongoing education. The importance of digital literacy is evident, yet obstacles such as limited technology access, reluctance to change, and the absence of standardized digital skills education persist. Address these challenges by presenting solutions to ensure the success and broad adoption of digital literacy initiatives. Numerous resources are accessible to support the advancement of digital literacy. These include essential books, online courses, workshops, and community programs dedicated to enhancing digital literacy skills, with tailored suggestions for individuals interested in delving deeper into AI. As we conclude our exploration of digital literacy in an AI-powered world, remember that the journey to becoming digitally literate is both personal and collective. By enhancing our understanding of digital tools and AI, we empower ourselves and our communities to navigate the complexities of the modern world more effectively. Thank you for watching this video. Let's continue to learn, adapt, and thrive in this exciting digital era.